As I mentioned before, it's always a good idea whenever you're working around lead to adhere to some basic safety principles. One of the things is, of course, like I said, you want to keep all moisture, water, everything like that away from lead, because moisture plus lead that's molten and hot makes for a very bad time, such as known as a steam explosion. The other thing I want to stress too, it doesn't necessarily have to be water that can cause a temperature explosion, but if your equipment is not heated up to par, I got the camera here. If your equipment's not heated up to par, you face some very risky problems, such as not necessarily a steam explosion, but a temperature change that can cause lead to do all sorts of nasty stuff. I have my dipper here that's been warming up. As you notice, it can go into the lead and be fine. This is my skimming dipper. It's not really a dipper, but it's fine. Molten lead sits in it pretty good, doesn't solidify up. I can keep it in there, I can take it out, leave it out, and it's just fine. My RCBS lead dipper, I have not preheated, and I'm going to step back for this. Do not try this at home. I'm going to show you exactly what happens if you put a cold or room temperature utensil in lead. Okay, I just got some on me, that's okay. See how it jumps up and explodes like that? If I were to just drop that in there, there'd be lead flying all over the place. So the thing we need to properly do is set our equipment on it where it will stay hot and stay ready to go. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it's well worth it, and it beats having a bunch of hot lead splattered in your face. So consider this safety tip number one.